Hi everyone, welcome to today's quick short how-to video. Today, we're going to learn how to access the PS5's secret browser. Now, this is very easy to do, and there are only a few quick steps that you have to follow. I'll be here to show you how to do that. So, first the thing you're going to want to do is go up, Games, Media, and then we go to the right all the way to Settings. From Settings, we want to first go to System, and in System, we'll go down all the way to Web Browser. Here, we just want to make sure that we've allowed cookies and that we've enabled JavaScript. You then go back, and then you can go to Network. In Network, we go down to View PlayStation Network Status, and you're going to get a browser window open like this. You're going to want to scroll down, and we'll go here to PlayStation Store. From PlayStation Store, we're going to go all the way down. You're going to scroll down, and then we go to the YouTube icon. Just pause this video here. You'll sign in with your Gmail account. So for the purposes of this video, I've made a fake Gmail account. Okay, and we're going to go next. And then we're going to quickly type in our password. And just like that, we're logged into Google now. Now, from here, now that we're logged in, we can click over here and we'll click on Google account. So once you click on that, you once again click over here. You click over here, and then you can go to search. And now that we're on search, you can now essentially browse the internet on the PS5. So this was a quick how-to video on how to use the PS5 to browse the internet. I hope you learned something new, and if there are any questions, please let us know. Thanks so much.